One of the key innovations that we are showing here at Markforged at IMTOS is our continuous carbon fiber technology. It's really a technology that's really reinventing how we are doing things in the manufacturing industry, right? So this essentially allows us to 3D print parts that are extremely strong, and this helps companies in India to really 3D print end-use components. So the outlook on the tool manufacturing and the tools industry is very positive. So the 3D printing industry has been growing at a rate of 25% annually, and we see this continue to grow and accelerate. So we're going from about $18 billion market share globally for 3D printing to $118 billion by 2030. Sustainability is very important to us at Markforged. The technology can really be used to reduce environmental impact and help companies with their ESG targets. So the benefit is essentially that rather than shipping parts around the world, you're able to 3D print them on site and on demand, reducing a lot of waste. So that really helps sustainability. Our plan is really to continue to invest into cutting edge technology. We recently acquired a simulation company, we acquired a metal binder jetting company, and we're going to continue to invest in technologies that's going to help our customers reinvent and reshore manufacturing. There's been a lot of benefits and enhancements and advances in 3D printing lately. One recent example is that companies have now been able to 3D print continuous carbon fiber up to 0.5 meter with our latest technology from the FX20. It's also the first time ever that companies are able to 3D print Ultem parts with continuous fiber. So what this does is really expands the number of parts that a company can 3D print with Markforged today. I really see a convergence of 3D printing, artificial intelligence, AR and VR, right? A recent example is that we introduced a software platform, the Digital Forge, that have something called Blacksmith. Blacksmith can essentially 3D scan and run a report on the accuracy of the 3D printed components. So that's almost like using artificial intelligence, and the more our customers are printing, the more our software is learning and enhancing 3D prints in the future. So I think one of the challenges that we see with modernizing Indian factories is that there needs to be more investments into Industry 4 technologies. I will say that that's the case in many countries, not just in India, that companies really need to embrace automation technologies and embrace factory of the future to remain competitive. So I think it's really on the investment side. We need more investments and we need more government support to accelerate this adoption of Industry 4 in India. So Markforged and Phillips are great partners. We started in North America, we expanded to India, we continue to expand into recently countries like Malaysia. We see a benefit with partnering with Phillips, and our partnership is really flourishing. One of the key reasons is that a lot of manufacturers are already using Phillips CNC technology. And when they contact Phillips, they look at alternative ways to make things. And using additive manufacturing, that's something that Phillips can introduce its customers to. So that's really where the partnership between Markforged and Phillips come together.
Well,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.